What's going on, YouTube? And back at it again with the wifey's car. That 2013 Passat TDI. Doing a oil change. I already done pulled the plug out of the pan, but it's a 19 mil pan or 19 mil bolt. Got that taken care of. It's draining right now. But go ahead and take the lid off. Let it get some. But let's see. Can you see that? Right down there. That's where the filter is. I got a 32 mil socket that I have no idea where I just put it. There it is. Got 32 mil socket. Fits down up on there. Yep, pretty tight. See if I can find me an extension. Yeah, that'll do. Not really the long one that I was wanting to use, but it'll work. Not sure if you can hear that, but it's raining. Got this nice cold water coming out of that sky. But I haven't got the extension up on there. Little plastic cap. I think that was it right there. Alright, I'm going to have to set y'all down because I'm going to have to use two hands on that one to be able to get it out of there. That's pretty disgusting. It was definitely time to change it. I'll get it and just set it down right there for right now. You gotta pull that filter out and get that oil pan. Let me get back up underneath the vehicle. Go ahead and grab that oil pan. Get the bolt back in there. Alright, I'll get that tightened up here in a second and get this pan out. There we go. Get that pan out of there. New filter, little itty bitty thing. We got 3 O-rings that we have to replace on there. If I can get y'all down there a little bit closer. Oil filter itself, just kind of grab it, yank on it, pull it out. We got the new filter. See if I can show you this, but you got one side, then you got the other side. This side is the side that's going to be going down to the bottom, and then this side is going in at the top. And just grab your little stick and then just shove the new filter on there. Push it down, kind of hear it click, you know it's secured. I'm gonna grab my pick so we can get that out. My little pick. So you got an O-ring at the very, very top. And then right below that one you have another one, a little bit bigger. And then all the way down here at the top where the threads are at, you got another O-ring. So just go ahead and grab the new ones. I'll go ahead and start with the thread one. Get it worked down there. And there's a groove where that O-ring sits in that is a little bit wider than the rest of the threads, so you can't get confused on which spot it's supposed to sit in. But get it down there, got it in, and we'll go ahead and grab the next one, a medium sized one, get it down into its little groove area. Then you got the small one that goes right at the very top or bottom. There we go. Got all the O-rings into place. I need to wipe this off a little bit. Got all the O-rings into their place. Got the filter in there. Now, just gotta get it back into the spot. See if you can see that. Right down in there. No, it's not even gonna focus. Come on, focus. Right down in there. There we gotta get the oil filter down into. And I made a little bit of a mess. I'm gonna have to clean that up some. And once you get it down in there, you'll kind of feel where that stem kind of goes down into play. And then the threads themselves will just line right on up. And then you can go ahead and start tightening everything back down. Now what do I do with that socket? It's not much of a torque, but if I recall correctly, I want to say it was literally like 3.5, 4 foot-pounds of torque is all that it needed on there. I just give it a little oomph, and then there we go. Should be good and secured. But I hope that helps anybody out that's trying to figure out where the filters are on these vehicles. But y'all have a good day, and I'll catch y'all some other time.